Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to talk about time units. Okay, so I'm not going to write down the time units, but you guys should know how many, the fact that 1 inch is equal to 60 seconds, 60 minutes is equal to an hour, 24 hours in a day, you should know those by heart, right? So I'm not going to put those on there, but let's do some examples, a couple of examples here using time. Okay, now let's say we want to convert 50 miles per hour to feet per second. Okay, so we want to go 55 miles per hour equals how many feet per second? So again, we're going to set it up. Now remember, this is miles per hour, so this is division, right? So this is going to be 55 miles per hour. And we want feet per second, which means we need feet per second. So we need feet on top, seconds in the bottom. Right now, we've got miles on top and hours on the bottom. Guess what? As long as we keep track of our units and end up with feet over seconds, we're good. So, how do we, first let's pick a unit to convert, okay? So let's start with miles. Well, we want to go from miles to feet. Well, that's easy. Okay, 5,280 feet. Oops, not 528. 5,280 feet for each mile. So that takes care of the miles. Now I've got feet on top. Now let's take care of hours. We want to be in seconds. Well, that means I need to go from hours to seconds. Well, I'm going to use two conversions, right? So I know that there are, for 1 hour, there's 60 seconds. Or no, I'm sorry. Minutes. Okay. 1 hour gives me 60 minutes. Okay. Well, that hour cancels with this hour. But now I'm in minutes. So now I'm in feet per minute. I want feet per second. So now I'm going to do another conversion, and I'm going to say, okay, there are, what? 1 minute for every 60 seconds. And so now, look at that. I've got seconds on the bottom, minutes on top, so minutes cancels with here. And so now look, I've got feet on top, everything else is canceled, and everything on the bottom is canceled except for seconds. So now I've got my units. So now now I'm done. Now all I have to do is just multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, and divide. So I get 55 times 5,280 divided by 60 divided by 60. And so now this is going to be feet per second. And so what do I get? I get, where's the answer? I get 80.666. So 80.6 continuous. So I'm just going to say this is approximately 81 feet per second. Okay, let's do another one. This one says convert 3.8 inches per second to feet per minute. 3.8 inches per second to feet per minute. So that's what I want, inches per second to feet per minute. Let's start by just setting up our conversion. So now this is going to be inches over seconds, right? Now I'm going to start multiplying, and I need, first of all, I need feet on top. So that means I'm going to use 1 foot for every 12 inches. And so inches cancels with inches. I've got feet on top, so I'm done with that. And now I've got to go to minutes. Well, I've got seconds on the bottom here, so I need seconds here. So that means 60 seconds for every 1 minute. So seconds cancels with the seconds, and so now I've got my my units worked out, and so now I just multiply and divide. So it's going to be 3.8 times 60 divided by 12, which is going to be 19. 19 feet per minute, right? So I was able to do that in my head because 60 divided by 12 is 5. Well, 10 times 3.8 is 38, but so 5 times that is going to be half. So half of 38 is 19. And so it's 19 feet per minute. And I'm done. Have a great day.